Today we'll be looking at GUI creation in Ultra Customizer. Let's get started by going into the Customizer menu. Now we'll select the GUIs section where we can see and create GUIs. Let's create a GUI using the button in the bottom right. The interface name is the name which will appear in the GUI menu. Let's call this test. The title is the name that will appear at the top when someone is viewing the GUI. You can use color codes in this. I'll name this test as well. You can add an item by clicking any empty space in the menu. You can also manipulate the menu by using the buttons in your inventory, allowing you to change the number of lines and the title of the GUI. When you create an item, there are 6 things you can edit: the name, the material, the lure, the amount, the permission, and the script. The name is simple. You can use color codes in it, like so. The material changes what it is. You can also add a material directly from your inventory, such as a diamond sword that's enchanted, by clicking on it inside your inventory. This will change any names or lure you have edited. Lure changes what's underneath it. You can use color codes in this too, as such. The amount is how much is in the item stack. You cannot change the amount for non-stackable items. The permission is what's required to be able to see the item. And the script allows it to do things when the item is clicked. See more about that in our scripts video. You can move an item by right-clicking it and left-clicking where you want to move it. You can also copy it by right-clicking and right-clicking where you want to copy it. You can make 2 items in the same space by shift right-clicking. This makes an item stack. As you can see in the menu, it will show by rotating between the 1 and the 2 position. The one in the 1 position has priority and will be what's shown if they can see both items. If the item in the 1 position requires a permission, only those who have that permission can see it. Those who don't will see the other item. In this case, our unnamed item, that's the dirt block. You can delete items by pressing your drop key, which by default is Q. This will come up with a confirmation menu to delete the item. Now you're all set to edit and create GUIs. See you next time.